Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and tech.
Today, we have something truly special for all you music lovers out there. Get ready to experience the ultimate sound experience with the W-King Bluetooth speaker, the best large Bluetooth speaker with bass on the market.
Now, let's dive into what makes the W-King Bluetooth speaker stand out from the crowd. With its impressive 110W peak output and 80W RMS.
This portable speaker delivers thunderous bass, rich mids, and crisp highs that will elevate your listening experience to new heights. But that's not all. Equipped with bass reflex tube technology, the W-King T92 ensures deep and resonant bass,
creating an immersive audio experience that will leave you spellbound. Plus, with its rugged construction and IPX5 splash-proof rating, you can take the party anywhere, from the beach to the poolside. And let's talk about the visual spectacle. The W-King Bluetooth speaker features vibrant mixed-color LED lights that sync with the beat of the music, creating a mesmerizing light show that adds an extra layer of excitement to your parties.
Worried about connectivity?
Fear not. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, TF card support, USB playback,
and an AUX input, you have multiple options to play your favorite tunes from various devices.
Plus, with EQ modes, you can customize the sound to suit your preferences, whether you're indoors or outdoors. But wait, there's more.
The W-King Bluetooth speaker boasts an impressive 24-hour battery life, ensuring the music never stops, even during the longest of parties.
And if you want to take the audio experience to the next level,
you can wirelessly pair two speakers for a total output of 160W, delivering true stereo sound that fills the room. In conclusion, the W-King Bluetooth speaker is not just a speaker. It's a party powerhouse that guarantees to take your music experience to the next level. With its unparalleled sound quality, dazzling light display, and versatile connectivity options, it's the perfect companion for any occasion. Don't miss out on the ultimate audio experience.
Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the W-King Bluetooth speaker today. And remember, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy listening.